What up, people? All right, you're looking at my bike. I got it apart a little bit. I don't have the bolts in here. I took them out. The reason why I have it apart is because I was doing an oil change down here, and I was doing a modification to the valve. Hey, stop. Stop. These guys don't know how to play with each other. But anyways, yeah, I was doing a modification to the valve right here, the exhaust valve. I undid the wires to the spring, to the valve. And yeah, I undid the valve, and I took out the spring, and I made sure that I was open while I turned on the bike. So you want to make sure that you want to take out the nut and spring and everything that holds it together, and make sure that the valve is open, and then you put everything back in. That's how you do that. I can't physically show you because I already did it and I don't want to take it apart. And I did an oil change. I don't know if you can you see the lower links? I have lower links, vortex lower links. Yeah, and I also have my other fairings taken apart because I took out the ECU from under here. As for my inspection, as you can see, I have my mirrors, my barring mirrors off. I had to put back my stock ones in order for it to pass, and that means I found a spot that passed me, and that's what I did. I put my stock ones back on, and they passed me. And then as soon as they passed me, I took them off. So yeah, that's a little update of mine. Today, so obviously I told you I took off the ECU. I am going to go get it flashed today by TOS Performance at TOS Exhaust. Yeah, I'll be going there around noonish. It should take about 10-15 minutes to get it done. Yeah. The reason why I'm doing all this is because next month I am going to Laconia with a couple of guys from work for that bike week, and I just want to get the bike nice and prepped up and cleaned up and prepared. I don't want the bike to overheat. That's one of the benefits of the ECU flash. And here's the quick shifter. I don't have it like right at a 90 degree because I bought the wrong shift rod. It should have been a shorter one, but the gear shifter should have been, it was lower. If you make this a 90 degree angle and you bought the wrong shift rod, the shifter is actually going to be lower and it's going to be difficult to shift. So it needs to be, you know, where it was before, and I didn't know that, and I was being stupid. Hold on, my dog's messing with my chickens. Stop, Fredo. Stop. And yeah, that's what happened with that. But yeah, I'm just getting the bike ready. Chain and sprocket should be okay. I just need to clean it. The bike needs a clean in general. Chain and sprocket's fine. Getting the ECU flash today. Tires are good, and we should be good for. What is wrong with y'all? Alright, but everything else should be good, so yeah, we will see later how everything goes out. I'll let you guys know.